Assalamu alaikum everyone. The topic I'm going to cover today is trading volume. The question at hand is that there are three stocks, Apple, AT, and Verizon. Assume that the first trader buys 1,000 shares of Apple, 500 shares of Verizon, and sells 500 shares of AT&T. The counterparty sells 1,000 shares of Apple, 500 shares of Verizon, and purchases 500 shares of AT&T to the first trader. What is the total trading volume for the day? Now, how many shares of AT&T changed hands? From one seller to the other, how many shares moved? So the total shares that moved were 500. Similarly, the total number of Verizon traded. Again, 500 shares of Verizon traded hands and 1,000 shares of Apple changed hands. So the total shares that changed hands in that market for that time period was the sum of these.